Let me see. So this coil might be a little bit larger than the other one from the looks of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coils, right? The other one might have 5 or perhaps 6. But from the looks of it, watch this. See how low that is? Right. We gotta look at the other side right here now. Difference in height. See that in height now? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 coils, big ones right there. Might be 6, but the other one looks super compressed on the other one. The customer is wondering why is that tire all the way down compared to the other side. When they put the tire on, that shit's a different size completely. I'm gonna keep that flathead though. That axle. Ya perdí todo, ya hagan. Fucking oil leaks though. You see these oil leaks? That pan both pans probably gotta get changed, no cap. Starter's kinda easy to get to. Belts on the side, looks like. Shit gotta be different from the shocks. That shit gotta be a different shock. It's too fucking close to the axle. Let me see how close the other one. That shit's close to the axle too. That's the problem now. The shit is kinda close. What the fuck is causing that?